Hi, I'm Beverly, and this is my lunch break. Today we're making healthy banana bread. This banana bread is so easy to make and it's so delicious. You have all the textures in one bite. You have the crisp outside and soft and moist on the inside. And it is healthy. For the full recipe, check out the link below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's start! We're gonna put all of our dry ingredients in a bowl. So we have the flour, baking soda, and salt. We just need to mix them all together. Next, we need to peel our bananas. Make sure you get like really ripe bananas so they're sweeter. We need 2 bananas for this recipe. Now just mash the banana. We are using really ripe bananas so we don't have to... Don't worry if your banana is not ripe enough. You can just get a regular banana and put it in the oven for a couple of minutes until it's dark and sweet. And you can get all of your ingredients at SideChef.com or your SideChef app. It doesn't have to be that smooth because this will also like break down in the oven. And now the eggs. 1, 2. And we use a mixer to beat the eggs. Okay, this is enough. We're gonna put all the wet ingredients into the bowl. We start with the mashed bananas, and then we add our vanilla extract, and then our coconut oil. Let's start the year with healthy choices. Then we'll just mix it briefly, and then we'll add our coconut sugar. You can also use white sugar or brown sugar, as you wish. We just mix our ingredients together until it's combined. Make sure that there's no sugar lumps in your mixture. Bananas are fine. Okay, now we mix all of our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Make sure you get all that goodness in there. And you just fold it until it's combined. Careful not to overmix it. We don't want that. And you just scrape the bottom and then cut through in the middle. This looks good to me. Next, we just fold in the walnuts. Just for that little crunch, you know, that's always fun. Okay, I think this is perfect. Done! Now we pour the batter into the parchment-lined tin. Just gonna pour it all out and make sure you get all the bits there. Set this aside and smoothen the top. I love making banana bread as well as eating it. I think it's the easiest thing to make, and you always have all the ingredients at home, you know? Like, you buy a bunch and you don't eat all of it, so you always have that perfect overripe bananas for your banana bread. After we pour the batter in, we just gently tap the pan to release some air bubbles from inside. Now we just sprinkle the top with some walnuts that we saved earlier. Here we go. Now we bake this for 40 to 45 minutes in the oven until... Wait. Okay, now we just need to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes in the oven or... Okay, I'm gonna stop at that. What did I say? Okay, this is it, guys. This is it. Okay, now we're gonna bake this in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Our banana bread is done and it smells so good. We're gonna let it cool for 5 minutes. Now we just slice and serve. This smells so good. Oh my god, look how gorgeous this is. And the whole office smells so good right now. Lunch break is over. I'm gonna go share this with everybody. Bye!